How much do sleep apnea tests cost? If you're wondering how much it costs to get a sleep apnea test, you're not alone. Many people are curious about the expenses involved in diagnosing this common sleep disorder. Let's break it down. First, there are two main types of sleep apnea tests: in-lab sleep studies and at-home sleep apnea tests. Each has its own set of costs and benefits. In-lab sleep studies. In-lab sleep studies are the more expensive option. These tests can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000, depending on your location and insurance coverage. The high cost is due to the need for a sleep technologist to monitor you throughout the night, as well as the use of extensive equipment. If you have insurance, it will likely cover a significant portion of this cost, reducing your out-of-pocket expense. During an in-lab sleep study, you'll spend the night at a sleep center, hooked up to various wires and monitors that track your sleep patterns, including breathing, heart rate, and blood oxygen levels. This comprehensive approach allows for the diagnosis of various sleep disorders, not just sleep apnea. At-home sleep apnea tests. At-home sleep apnea tests are much more affordable and convenient. These tests can range in price from about $100 to $1,000. The cost varies based on the services included and whether you have insurance. For example, a basic at-home sleep apnea test might cost around $150 to $300, while more comprehensive packages that include telehealth visits and detailed analysis can cost up to $600. Some providers, like Sleep Care Online, offer a complete care package for $219, which includes a telehealth visit, the testing device, and analysis by a healthcare provider. At-home tests are simpler and less invasive. You'll typically receive a device to wear while you sleep, which monitors key indicators like heart rate, breathing effort, and blood oxygen levels. After the test, you'll return the device, and a healthcare provider will analyze the data and provide your results. Additional costs. Besides the cost of the test itself, you might incur additional expenses for doctor's appointments. For instance, you may need to see your primary care physician and then a sleep specialist, each visit potentially involving a copay. After the test, you may also need to follow up with a healthcare provider to discuss your results and any necessary treatment. Conclusion. In summary, the cost of a sleep apnea test can vary widely. In-lab sleep studies are more expensive, but offer a comprehensive diagnosis, while at-home sleep apnea tests are more affordable and convenient, though they are best suited for diagnosing uncomplicated obstructive sleep apnea. Always check with your insurance provider to see what costs will be covered. Whether you choose an in-lab or at-home test, the goal is to get a clear diagnosis and start treating your sleep apnea effectively.